Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in tuning and feel. This matters because a stable tone lets harmonic fights land. First, play the MGD a progression slowly, focusing on clean chord changes and even timing. Once done, add palm muting on the low strings to create space, and accent the offbeat to emulate the competitive groove. Make sure to isolate the riff and loop 4 bars, then build endurance with gradual tempo increases. You want control before adding fills or solos. Once the bass groove is stable, you expand by inserting small melodic variations to claim the hill. These keep you interesting. Practice 3-note hammer-ons and pull-offs over the chords because they occupy space without disrupting rhythm. Then, add single-note fills on beats 3 and 4 to answer other players, and vary dynamics. Play some phrases softer, others louder, to communicate dominance. Make sure to rehearse these at slow tempo, then increase speed while maintaining clarity and timing. To finish, deliver a clear, decisive phrase, either a full bend into the tonic or a tight staccato chord, so listeners hear resolution. Once done, always record your run-throughs and listen back for timing drift or frequency buildup, because playback reveals clashes you miss while playing. If things go wrong, slow the tempo by 20 to 40% and isolate the offending bar. Repeat it until it locks. Make sure to rehearse transitions cleanly, and then restore tempo confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.